What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Trek with Bill. Today we are out and about in Kinston, North Carolina at the Off-Road Affair event. As you can see, we have a muddy trail, which I hope to hit up later. There's mud all around and some badass vehicles, so stay tuned for that. Nice.
Like we got a drive shaft come out in front of the power wagon.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and did this one lane of this small obstacle course that they had on the side. Little trail practice, I'm guessing, for the people that want to give it a shot, just like I did. And it was actually really fun just at this one pass, as the other ditches were way too big. And we did do some mild rubbing, as you'll see in the next clip. But it just goes to show that this Gladiator and the Jeep products and vehicles are extremely capable. This vehicle is not equipped with any lockers or anything. I literally just put it in 4 high and went at it. I'm sure the mud terrain tires helped a lot, but this gives me some things I need to improve on, like I'll mention in the next clip as well, so stay tuned for what that might be. Alright folks, so we made it back. That's awesome. Alright folks, so we made it back, and from the Jeep Off-Road Affair event in Kinston, North Carolina, and it was a great time. I will be better prepared for next year, as I didn't know what it was all about. So next year I'll bring my chairs, which I should have already had, and my umbrella, but I missed out on that. So we'll be bringing that for next year, and maybe our grill and stuff, so we can, you know, cook our own lunch there. But they had food vendors, they had bouncy houses, they had a lot of, you know, different things. It's not as big, obviously, as Overland Expo, but there was, I would say, maybe 1,000 people, 1,500 people there, and the time frame that I was there, you know, 3 hours. So it was great. Have to better prepare the Jeep, so hopefully in the next few months a 2-inch AV lift, spacer lift, just to start off, will be necessary, as we did some scraping, you saw in the previous clip there. So yeah, we'll see you next time.